There is something wrong with the crypto market. I'm telling you, I'm not being a perma bear and I'm not missing the pump and all that kind of stuff, but I'm telling you, if you look at the charts, if you look at the data, something doesn't add up for me, and I'm gonna share with you in this video why I think a major crash could be coming, whether it's now, whether it's from 37, 38, 41,000, I don't know. Let's look into it because this is gonna be very, very interesting. So what I wanted to show you, that markets move in a way where they create higher highs and higher lows, right? So we see a high here forming, then we have a higher low, then we see a high forming, then we have a higher low, then we see so we see another high here, and then we have a low, and then we have a high here, then we have a low, then we have a high here, then we have a low. So we have to break above the previous highs in order for the market to move on. If you look at the daily, we see that we have completed these breaks, right? We broke above here, then we broke above here, we even broke above here, right? So this could be considered a new high. We broke above here, so we have these breaks. This is how the market kind of moves. Now, if we do not see a break above, that means that the strength that this move have is not sufficient enough. Therefore, there is no power in this move. Now, if you look into this, if you look here, this is the total market cap. Now, the total market cap, I could draw the exact same thing, right? So I could see we have a market structure shift here. We break above, then we have a pullback, then we have a higher low, then we have a market structure break, another high, then we have a higher low. And then what do we see here? We cannot break above. This is the main structural point up here on the daily, which is around, let me mark this here for you. This is around the $1.26 trillion, and we cannot break above. And that is a major, major, major problem, because this indicates that there is no strength in the market, in the crypto market, that would be enough to push and create a higher high close. So a new high, a close above the previous high on the total market cap. And that is a problem, because at the same time we see Bitcoin moving. Now my question is, why can it be that Bitcoin is moving very hard and the total market cap is not? Well, the only explanation for me is that every move Bitcoin makes is driven by relocation of assets within the space. So the fact that the total market cap is not moving and Bitcoin is making new highs and new highs, that tells me that there is slowing in the industry and people are preparing for the ETF. So people are preparing for the Bitcoin ETF being approved, and therefore Bitcoin will push. But because there is no increase on the total market cap, that means there is no new money flowing in the system. There is just reallocation of funds within the system. So there are two scenarios, or two main importance of this in my mind. Number one is, if and when there is a Bitcoin dump, altcoins won't suffer that much because people are putting money into Bitcoin rather than putting money into alts, and therefore the dump will probably not cause that big of a dump in alts. Second, Bitcoin will have to have a major correction. Now, whether it's now or 31,000 or 48,000, whatever that is, I made a video where the reversal might happen and why is this just a pullback to the daily equilibrium. You can check it out. Actually, it's here. You can check it out here. But other than that, I'm just concerned by the fact that the total market cap is not making new highs, and you should be too. So what we can do, monitor the total market cap, see if there is a pullback, see if there is a close above the previous high, which is $1.26 trillion. And if there is no close above that, and Bitcoin reaches 37,300 or 41,000, as I explained in the video that you can check out here, there is something to worry about. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more content of this, like, subscribe, smash the like button, and leave a comment, and come to our community. Links in the description and in pinned comments as well. Come join us. We do this every single day. We do trading, day trading, forex trading, long-term trading. Yeah, that's it. Ciao.